I'm DestinationWhatever.com, and I just got back to nature on a one-week Amazon river cruise. Well, we're going to be embarking here in Nata on the Amatista with G Adventures for the Amazon.
Of course,
yes.
We are in the Amazon. Welcome to the Amazon.
It's the Amazon. The Amazon River. Up that way is Brazil. I'm in Peru. The Amazon has more kinds of plants, birds, and fish.
Catfish. Remember, we have about 5,000 species of fish in the Amazon.
Than anywhere else on the planet.
Catfish, my friend. Look at that.
I really don't want to get bitten by a piranha, but I do want to catch a piranha or two. And it's a piranha. The Amazon creates 20% of our planet's oxygen. I'm gonna plant a tree right now here in the Amazon rainforest because keeping the Amazon alive is muy importante. Push deeper into the world's largest rainforest and discover how life interacts with nature.
¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama?
Banana boats, and they are just moving things along in the Amazon.
Let's say buenos dias to Mr. Abraham.
Hiking in the Amazon jungle. Brazil nut tree. This type of jungle we would call an impenetrable jungle because there's literally no trails on the ground. We're getting around with our guides who are hacking our way through using a machete. Did you know that lily pads can be hermaphrodites? I didn't know that until I got to the Amazon.
This is a ground boa.
As if this jungle walk couldn't give any more, apparently a tarantula has been spotted. So let's go take a look at a tarantula inside the Amazon rainforest. I'm DestinationWhatever.com, and I'm a travel agent who loves connecting people with amazing places. Click on the like button below and subscribe for more content, including from my Amazon adventure.